Now, let's break down how these attacks actually work. DDoS stands for Distributed Denial of Service, and it's a method used by cybercriminals to disrupt the normal traffic of a targeted server, service, or network. Imagine a group of hackers controlling a vast network of computers, often without the owners even knowing. These networks are called botnets, and they can consist of thousands or even millions of compromised devices. These compromised devices, called bots or zombies, are like the individual cars in our traffic jam analogy. Each bot is infected with malware that allows the hacker to control it remotely. The hackers command these bots to send a massive amount of traffic to a specific target, like a website or online service. This coordinated effort can generate an enormous volume of traffic in a very short period. This overwhelming flood of requests overloads the target's servers, causing it to slow down significantly or even crash completely. The server becomes unable to handle the volume of requests, leading to a denial of service for legitimate users. Think of it like calling a restaurant's phone line non-stop, preventing anyone else from making a reservation. The constant barrage of calls makes it impossible for the restaurant to function normally. That's the basic idea behind a DDoS attack. It's a powerful tool in the hands of cybercriminals, and defending against it requires robust cybersecurity measures and constant vigilance.
If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Stay safe out there and see you in the next video.